It's actually honestly pretty easy to set up. I can't even lie.
Heartbeat, leave no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love.
Okay, I had them all hung. It was actually pretty simple, pretty easy. Now I'm just gonna unravel them all so they can hang. Pretty or whatever. Okay, you guys, I got them all set up. Honestly, the longest part was just unraveling them. Like, setting them actually up was fine, but then having to like untwist the ties of each one and unravel, not the hardest, but like that was all it really was to it. A baby could set these up. Anyways, I haven't turned them on yet, so I'm gonna turn them on with you guys and see how they look. Moment of truth. 1, 2, 3. These are so sick. When I tell you I'm obsessed, my room looks magical. Tell me how this works with my LED lights too. Guys, I'm telling you right now, you have to run and go get these wall lights from DormVibes. Literally sick as, yeah. Now we're gonna set up the ceiling ones.